Hey guys, what's up? This side Prem and you are watching my channel Digital Prem. So guys, this video is about keyword research. So in this video I'm going to tell you what is keyword research process, how does how does it works, what all are the tools we require to do keyword research and what are the benefits of doing keyword research for your blog, website. So I will tell you everything. So first we understand what is keyword research. Guys, keyword research is a process where we need to find all those keywords which are searched by user over Google search results so that we can target all those keywords in our content strategically, and we can write well content so that it can get better user experience, so that will help to Google to get rank on Google search results. So guys, we have to target all those popular keywords which are generally searched by user for a specific query. So we have to help them to give answer for their keyword for a specific keyword. So that's why we need to write well content around those keywords which can help users. It will get more engagement as well. That will help Google to get rank our content on Google search results pages, and it will increase our rank as well over time. So before writing any content for your blog, for your website, or for any other content, you have to work on keyword research. So that's why you have to find all those keywords which are generally searched by user for your particular niche. So you have to just collect all those keywords and then you need to start content strategically around your keywords. So guys, so we so guys now we understand why it is important to do keyword research. So guys, if you do keyword research, that means you are finding all those terms which are generally people are using for a specific query, or they are searching for something they want to know. So you have to know, you have to do research. That's why keyword research is important, because you go to insight what audience is searching on Google and how you can help them in a better way. So that's why you need to do keyword research so that you can find all those terms which you can use to write content strategically around all those terms, and you can provide better user experience. So at the same time it will help Google to promote your content and will improve your ranking on Google search results. So that's why you have to write relevant, helpful content for your audience so that you can get more engagement, and it will fulfill your audience need what they want to know, so you will answer all their question, and it will help to promote your website, your business. So that's why you need to do keyword research, and it is a very important part of SEO as well. If you want to organically rank your website on Google search results, so you need to do keyword research before writing any content for your blog, for your website. So guys, now we understand what all are the benefits of doing keyword research. So guys, it will help you like marketing trend insight, like what exactly is going in market, what exactly going on online, what all terms are searched on Google, what people want to know, what all their queries. So if we so it help us. So keyword research process will help us to get the trends so that we can provide all those content which are required to provide better user experience. So that's why we need to conduct effective market research. So if we conduct effective market research, That means we are going inside to know what's going in marketing trends. So we need to center our content around those keywords, what audience are searching on Google. So it will help you to get better marketing trend insight. It will help you to drive more traffic over your website if you write relevant, helpful content for your audience. It will rank your website on Google search results over time. So, guys, it will help you to get better customer acquisition. So, if you provide valuable content, what they want to know, if you provide better their question answers, so it will help them to engage with your website. So you can retain more customer over time because you are providing what they need. That is more important. If you fulfill their need, that means you can acquire more customer, you can retain more customer. So that's why you need to work on your content over time. You have to make a strategy, well strategy before writing any content. You have to make a list of keywords. You have to filter keywords, which keyword you want to target by their popularity, by their search volume, general intent. So you have to make a strategy around your keyword, then you need to write content. So it will help you to get better customer acquisition. So guys, it will help you to build authority as well. If you write well content consistently, that means it will build authority over time, and it will help Google as well to consider your website high authority website if you constantly write well content for your website. So guys, that's why keyword research process is a very important process, because here you just focus everything what is. So guys, now we understand what all tools are required to do keyword research. So guys, there are multiple tools are available in the market. Few of them are free and some of them are paid, so you can use according to your requirement. But free tools are also powerful. You can use Google powerful tools, google Google keyword planner. So we are going to use this tool to do keyword research. So it will help us to know their popularity, search volume, general intent. So it will help you all those things. So for that we need to go to Google and we have to type keyword planner, and here we need to create account on Google Ads, and it will take us to their page. And then we need to go to tools and setting, and we have to select keyword planner. So I have already logged in my account, in Google Ads account. So I will go there and I will and we will do keyword research. So like this you will see, you have to click here and you will go there and you have to log in. So I have already account, so we will just go there and we will do keyword research. So here you can see, so once you will make an account on Google Ads, so you have to go to here, tools and setting, and there you will see one option, keyword planner. So you have to click here. Then you will then you will come here on this page, and here you can see we can discover new keywords. So it will show us list of keywords, and it will show us their popularity, search volume, and it will show us everything here. And if we want to get search volume and forecast about there, so we can type here. So first we need to find keywords, so we will click here. So let's suppose your keyword is about luxury car. It will show us all those keywords which people are searching. So get results. So guys, you can see here it is showing us all those keyword here, you can see, and their average monthly searches. It is showing competition here, medium, low on these keywords. Rolls Royce, luxury SUV, best luxury cars. So it's showing all those keywords which you can target according to your content. It's showing here top bids about these keywords. Here you can see. So it is showing top bids, competition, search volume, average searches. You can see here all these keywords. So you can collect all these keywords for your content. And here you can see it is showing us refined keywords. So if you want refine your keyword like non-brands, Lexus, Rolls Royce, any particular cars, if you want to find keywords for that, you can select here, vehicles, here. So it is giving us refining keyword option as well. So you can select and you can refine, you can collect best keywords so that you can write best content, you can drive more traffic over your website, more conversion. And if you want in more details, then we can go to forecast, and and here we can see search volume, monthly search volumes, forecast about that keyword. So here are the options you can see. So here now we can get search volumes and forecast about that particular keyword. So we will here to type. So let's suppose we type any particular keywords which you have searched before on keyword ideas. So now you want to get volume. Now you want to know the volume on this particular keywords, and you want to know how they can perform. So here we just type here Rolls Royce. So we will get started. Here we will get the search volumes and how the keywords are performing. It will tell us so that we can decide how to make content around them. So for this particular keywords, it is showing us like 100k to 1 million monthly average searches, low competition, and top bids. You can see here. Yes, so you can do like this. First, you have to do keyword research for your keywords. So once you will make a list of keywords, then you have to make filter your keywords, and you have to get best keyword. Then you need to find search volume for this particular keywords and competition, so that you can get more traffic over your website. More, you can try more conversions, because you know now to whom audience you are going to target for that particular keywords. So you have to do like this. So guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's meet in next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.